fresh air. And we will have a couple of opportunities over the next few days because especially tomorrow, the rain is going to be scattered in nature. There's also a slight risk of a thunderstorm, but again, those will be very isolated. Here's a current look at the satellite and radar. It's a little bit rainy across southwestern Ontario into the Nickel Belt region and the Ottawa Valley as well. Niagara, you need the umbrella if you're going to be venturing out over the next little while. And for us here in Toronto, you can see that this system, while it's not a complete soaker, it is going to be impacting a widespread area. So yeah, through this afternoon and this evening, if you're in Toronto, I would bring the umbrella with you if you do in fact have to venture out. Into the day tomorrow, again, along a front, we see the potential for a couple of thunderstorms bubbling up. Here's later on this evening, bulk of the precipitation once again falling around Niagara and then stateside into tomorrow morning. Chance of maybe a few showers or passing thunderstorms, likely around the early afternoon as well. And then as we make our way into the evening, things are going to dry out a little bit. Next system for Wednesday. At this point, this particular model shows it tracking just a little bit to the south. However, I do still see signs that it will be a little bit of a rainy one, so we're keeping an eye on that. Today's high, 13 degrees. Again, this is close to seasonal. We expect the daytime high at this point in the early days of May to be around 17 degrees. That was yesterday's high, so even though it was a little bit showery in some areas, not all, we were pretty well where we expect to be at this time of year. 9 degrees is tonight's overnight low, and expect some fog, especially as we move past midnight. Calmer conditions at that point too. And then for spending some time around home tomorrow, winds will be coming out of the east. The sunset time, 8:23 p.m. But we do have that chance of an isolated thunderstorm. Again, this can look maybe a little deceiving. It maybe looks like it's going to be a washout of a day. That's not the case, but there's a wide window of opportunity for showers and maybe thunderstorms. Wednesday, again, unsettled. Thursday, lots of sunshine in the forecast. Friday too, but notice how our temperatures are getting a little bit cooler, especially those overnight lows, maybe back down close to the freezing mark. Weekend at this point is looking bright. Again, I just wouldn't maybe be getting rid of those warmer jackets quite yet. That's the 7-day forecast for now. Michelle, over to you.
Thank you, Lindsay. A local organization is helping mark the holy month of Ramadan in a very special way.
The group is providing